So I think we should enter now, student participants.
हाँ सर. तो वेट करें 2 मिनट फिर चालू करते हैं. 6 बजे एग्जैक्ट.
Okay, wait for 2 minutes.
हाँ सर.
So I think we should enter now, student. Yeah, participants.
हाँ सर. तो वेट करें 2 मिनट फिर चालू करते हैं. 6 बजे एग्जैक्ट.
Okay, wait for 2 minutes.
हाँ सर.
I think we should enter now. Yeah, participants.
हाँ सर.
I think ये डुप्लीकेट आवाज आ रही है. तो सर लाइव में डुप्लीकेट हो रहा है.
हाँ सर, किसी के माइक से आवाज आ रही होगी सर.
नहीं नहीं, किसी के नहीं, अपने ही, मतलब ये रिपीट हो रहा है मेरे ख्याल से. लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग में इश्यू नहीं है ना. आई थिंक वी कैन स्टार्ट नाउ.
पहले से स्टार्ट.
थिंक ये डुप्लीकेट आवाज आ रही है. तो सर लाइव में डुप्लीकेट हो रहा है.
ये सर यूट्यूब वाला शायद खुला है कुछ.
मैंने वहां पे म्यूट कर दिया है. वी कैन स्टार्ट नाउ. आई थिंक आई एम जस्ट
सो
एंटरिंग.
ए वेरी.
मैं एडमिट कर लूँ सबको. Yes, sir. Can start.
A very warm welcome to all our listeners and esteemed guests. You are tuned into our special Q&A episode of our podcast titled Mastering DHR-ICMR Pg Thesis Grant, a session dedicated to empowering postgraduate students across Bharat in their journey of academic research. DHR-ICMR initiative not only provides financial assistance to thesis projects, but also promotes a culture of scientific inquiry and innovation in alignment with the national health priorities. So today's episode is crafted especially for the postgraduate students in the community medicine and allied fields, as well as faculty mentors to decode the entire process, from developing a strong research grant proposal to submitting a successful application for the DHR-ICMR PG thesis grant. We are extremely fortunate to have with us distinguished faculty, Dr. Niraj Pandit sir, who is professor and head Department of Community Medicine at Srimati B.K. Shah Medical Institute and Research Center, Sumandi Vidyapit, Vadodara. And I am your host and moderator, Dr. Tushar Kalra, a senior resident at Department of Community Medicine, Gitanjali Institute of Medical Science, Jaipur, Rajasthan. And I will be channeling your most important questions to our expert. Sir, good evening, sir, and very warm welcome to you. Sir, any initial thoughts you have on our Q&A session?
Sure, Tushar. Tushar, thank you. And this is Tushar is my PG student. Recently, he has completed the MD Community Medicine and joined the Gitanjali Institute of Medical Science, Jaipur. I am really happy he has started this initiative for the podcast. I thought long back to start a podcast on the various issues, and this is a we did one of the session recently, and that is available on my channel. That is Research Pandit. You can see that particular channel. That episode of 1 hour is there, in which you can get a basic idea about how to apply everything to this PG thesis. And today we are going to discuss some key question that raised by the few student. We have asked the people to give some questions, so we can target those questions, and we can able to answer targeted answer to student, postgraduate student, so they can able to do the successful application. Before starting the real podcast, I would like to give my disclaimer that I or Dr. Tushar has no connection with the ICMR. We don't have any influence on this whole process. We are just creating the awareness for the larger community, and this is actually a big opportunity. Actually, I can say there are a large number of the PGs, and ICMR DHR has an interest to develop research oriented postgraduate student. So our main purpose of this podcast to target few important question, and that will be try to answer, but we don't have any connection, not we are involved anywhere in the review process, and not even either of us is a employee of the ICMR. Okay, we are a professor. I am Dr. Niraj Pandit, Professor, Head Community Medicine, and Tushar is Senior Resident in the Gitanjali Medical Institute, Science at the Jaipur. So with this, I start this session. Tushar, you can ask one by one question. I will try to answer this important question to the audience. I'm just stopping sharing this screen. Yes.
थैंक यू सर. सर, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आए हैं. 21 ईयर्स से लेके 50 ईयर्स तक जो है पार्टिसिपेंट्स, उन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं भारत के.
Okay.
सर, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि सर, व्हाट इज द DHR ICMR रिसर्च ग्रांट, who can apply it, and why is it important for a postgraduate student and young researcher to apply in this grant?
Yes, this is the basic question we need to keep in mind. Department of Health Research, you can see, is the apex body of health and research. Previously, we know ICMR is the body. Now, top of the ICMR, now Department of the Health Research, and below that ICMR, that's Indian Council of Medical Research. They are providing the various grant, and this grant they are providing not only to the faculty, but all the, you can say, they want to create a research culture in medical colleges. See, this is very important. Medical and dental colleges, not only just medical, they are also interested in medical and dental colleges. They have started this process.
मेरा एयर है, एयर 4 था, मैं तो बहुत
Basically, the main target of this particularly, I request all of the participant to mute yourself. So basically the whole our aim of this particularly DHR-ICMR to promote the research, develop culture research in the medical college. So first year, second year medical student, they are giving the grant is known as a ICMR STS, DHR STS. That's a short-term student project. Then this PG thesis, then faculty research. So step by step, they are creating a culture of research among the student. And that is the main purpose of the ICMR DHR research grant. Who can apply? And this is particularly a PG thesis grant. And this PG thesis grant is for the all postgraduate student who are at currently in the first year. First year postgraduate student can apply. It is not for the second and third year. So whenever you are getting the admission in the first year, you have a chance to apply in the first 6 months and second 6 months. So they have an opening of this research grant in the month of May and after 6 months in the month of November. Usually June and December are the 2 months, but because of the admission variation, they are changing the month. This time, this month is a May month. So 31st month of May is the last date for this first 6 months. If you miss this, you have a chance to again apply in the month of November. But once you enter in the second year, you cannot apply. So this is for the postgraduate student. This ICMR thesis proposal grant is there. Next is why it is important. See, this is very important. Why it is important is how do you recognize your thesis topic? See, thesis is very important for the postgraduate student. And your research question, your problem and solution, you are doing during the 3 years of the time. And this 3 years time is very important for you to learn one topic which you can take a later on a long-term research when you become an academician, researcher, or a practitioner. So that's why it is very important for the postgraduate to apply. And you are sitting in the competition. See, you are applying is not alone. There are thousands of the student applying. Out of 1,000, they are giving a few. So your topic evaluated by the various expert, and this expert will evaluate and give the ranking, and based on the ranking, you awarded the research grant. So this is the important for the postgraduate student. I think I targeted answer, Tushar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, next question is how many participants are selected each year, and how is the amount of grant received to the student?
Very important question. Grant number and amount. See, number is previously 2 years before it was just 50 per year. Now they raised the last year the number to 400. So you total 400 medical, dental, MCH, you can say DNB, all are the eligible. It is not just for the MD and MS. It is MD, MS, Master of Dental Science, even DNB student, and even you can say DNB and MCH student, they are also eligible in this grant. So total 400. So 200 they will give in this May cycle and 200 they will give in the November cycle. So total 400 per year. Amount. This is very important. Amount is raised to 1 lakh rupees. See, this is very important. Now they are giving the 1 lakh rupees for your PG thesis. But condition. See, condition is very important. Condition is that they on sanction, they will give you a amount of 25,000 as a first installment. After that, you have to finish this project within your PG tenure. Not only finish, you have to publish the paper. You have to publish the paper in index journal, that is PubMed Web of Science index journal, that you need to follow. They have clear-cut written in their guideline. This index journal, you have to publish the paper. You have to produce the evidence of your journal. You have to send them to the ICMR. and the remaining grant they will give you at the end. So this is very important, and this you need to finish within 3 years. So this is the answer for the amount, and you can say a number of grant.
Thank you, sir. The next question is, sir, how to identify the research question or topic? And are there any priority research areas or themes that are recommended by the ICMR for postgraduate thesis work in public health, especially, or in maternal and child health? Sir, your answer.
Yes. See, Tushar, it's basically if you search the website of the ICMR, they have their own priority areas. But keep in mind, they are not limited. Your topic, your study method, and your important problem and solution, that is very important for the ICMR and expert people. So, limited to that, don't think we are thinking that ICM are going to give only to the priority areas. It is not so. I always say whatever your topic is there, selection of the topic, your justification, followed by your objective and methodology and expected outcome. This is very important for explaining how justifying your writing in this 4-page proposal, so expert can able to understand and justify. So my experience, I am working with this, I am motivating various students since long, and my experience is there is no just few topics, they have a topic at large available. So your topic, your guides inputs, your review of literature, your question, your objective, your methodology, they are the important part to decide your grant. So this part, if you take care, I don't think they will reject. Maternal and child health is always important, but it is not just important that they are giving grant to the pediatric and obstetric department. They are part of this thing. All the department, they are eligible to get the grant. So don't think like this. So as per department, you have to decide, and you have to decide your own topic and proposal. Thank you. Next.
Thank you, sir. Next question is, sir, what are the qualities of a good scientist, unique ways to write thesis for submission, and what is exactly DHR-ICMR looking for? Thus, following all the guidelines like word limit, etc., actually make a difference in the selection of the article? Your answer, sir?
Yes. See, guideline following is very important part for anywhere. They have written everything. I hope you have seen the, I'm just sharing screen again, and you try to see, hope you have created account here also, and according to the account, I will discuss this part with you. Hope you have created this account on this particular page. This is actually a DHR EPMS login. You have to first create the login. You have to make your profile first. And this profile page is very important from the personal data and education detail. Once you finish this, only that you can able to submit the proposal. You have to go click here, and here HRD, when you clicking on the HRD, you will get this page. And this page, see, all this particular thing can applied here. ICMR STS here, MD, MS, DM, MCH, DNB, DRNB, MD thesis support. So you need to apply from this page. And this page, once you click on the apply page, and this page will open. See, and here everything available. You can read the HRD guideline. In this guideline, everything available. So you can download and read. This is for your PG thesis. I am just saying that first you need to put your personal detail, then about your institute, medical college name, pursuing degree, college, city, district, phone number, state. Once you fill this, save and next. I am not going currently because I am not eligible in this case. Go for the next page, and this reference ID will be created on submission of part A. That part A, when you submit, your reference ID will create, and this reference ID you required to submit. And this part B, you need to provide the guide detail. See, guide detail is very important, and designation is also very important. Who is your guide? Their detail, email ID, and upload the undertaking. This format you need to download, and download this format, and you need to submit all the details here after sign. So upload the guide undertaking, must be PDF format, not more than 1 MB size. Then proposal details. You need to write your title of this, your proposal, study type. See, study type you need to select here. Then study area, you can select the study area, your department, name of the department where study will be conducted, and then here this upload the thesis research proposal file. When you click on this, see, you will get a guideline, and this guideline is very, I hope this guideline is visible to everybody. Tushar, is visible? PDF
Yes,
file?
sir. Yes, sir.
So
Visible,
this,
sir. Visible.
yeah, this, they have written that title 50 words, introduction 300 words, objective 100 words, methodology 600 words. See, methodology is very important, 600 words. Implication 150 and references 300 words. So this word limit can be flexible requirement, but not exceed total 2000 word. You need to take care of this. If you take care of this, I don't think they will have us any objection. So in this 2000 word, you have to justify complete things. If you are not able to justify, it is very difficult for that. Okay, so then word limit is very important, as Tushar said, and I am always insisting the word limit for your topic is also very important. So in this case, your answer is very important. Topic selection, then it's a writing process, and following the guideline, number of word in the each section, that is also very important. So keep mind in your mind about the guideline. Thank you. Next.
Thank you, sir. So next question is, what is the importance of ethics in research, and is ethical approval important before submitting to the DHR-ICMR research grant? Thank you, sir.
Yes. Very important question, because everybody is asking always that what about the document required to submit and ethics. I am again sharing this page. See, after this page of your uploading synopsis, you can go on the next. In this next page, you can see number of documents required to upload. And these documents all are very important red star document. You can see this is must, 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 must. For your PG, this all document except 8, any other document, all 7 documents are must. So you need to have a 10th mark sheet. Ethics committee approval. Okay. Now, because of you recently admitted, you may not have ethics committee approval. But see what is written? Undertaking. If your synopsis you have applied to the ethics committee, you can I request to the participant to be a mute. You can make one undertaking to whom it's so concerned, this is to certify that my proposal is submitted to the ethics committee or about to submit the ethics committee, and whenever I receive the ethics committee approval, I will upload to my system or email to the ICMR, sign yourself and your guide. This undertaking will take care if you are recently admitted in first 6 months. But later above the 6 months, you must have your IEC completion, IEC approval. You can upload the IEC also. So this ethics committee is very important, and ethics committee document, without that, your proposal will not go for the consideration. So either undertaking or ethics committee approval, you need to submit. See other document: MBBS, BDS degree, MD, MS joining letter, your curriculum vitae. This is very important. Your CV 1 page. Then sixth is very important: honest statement of applicant. Your vision, why you have selected this topic. Your statement is very important in terms of the future research career. Why do you want to continue this as a research career? So this, your honest statement will take care about your inclination towards research in this topic. Then next, passport size photo. So these 7 documents are very important when you are going to submit. So ethics is also important. You can say, then your documents required, other document is also very important. So ethical approval is very important, and without ethics committee approval, you cannot start the study. Okay, one thing keep in mind here. If your study is an animal ethics committee, then take approval of the animal ethics committee, and you have to upload that, because pharmacology, some physiology study, they may require animal ethics committee. So take approval of the animal ethics committee and upload that. So ethics committee approval and consent is very important part of your synopsis.
Thank you, sir. Sir, next question is, are there any ongoing ICMR project where PG students can collaborate or contribute for their thesis work? And is the mentorship available through the ICMR for postgraduate students undertaking the research if selected? Thank you, sir.
See, ongoing research project where ICMR student can collaborate or contribute, they are not going to give the support to the ongoing. This is your new idea they want. See, you need to have your own idea, and this own idea, your own thesis synopsis will be given us awarded for the ICMR PG thesis. So you need not to be a collaborate somewhere. This is not the things they want कि ongoing project में आप joined हो जाइए. So take care. You have to make your own research proposal, which you can finish within 1.5 to 2 years of your post graduation, and you can able to write a thesis at the end, dissertation, and submit 6 months before to your university. And this a learning process. So collaboration they don't want. When you start your own practice or your own faculty position, you can collaborate. Currently, they will not promote. Mentorship available through the ICMR for the postgraduate student? Currently not. ICMR institution, there are all over the India spread various ICMR institute. You can you can visit, you can learn from them as a postgraduate student, and you can collaborate for their learning purpose. And later on in future, you can join ICMR. But for the PG study specifically, I don't think they are mentoring. But your guide is a mentor. So your guide will guide you, or you need, so you can ask expert outside, whosoever you know. You can even put a query across to me. I can, if possible, I can guide something, some area, but not, it's very difficult to, but at least if you mail, I will reply to these things. And I hope कि few question I can able to, one-to-one I can able to target. So mentoring currently is not available, but you can try to with some expert all over India. There are a lot of experts are there. there are a lot of teachers who are doing the videos and YouTube live, so you can able to get this thing. Here also, this current program is also YouTube by live. You can try. I am just putting a link. You will get this link YouTube live also. So sometime you can get some question. Your guide is the first. If your guide is not, you can ask few expert available. You can search from the LinkedIn and other Google Scholar method, and they may guide answer your query. Thank you.
Uh, okay, sir. So next question is, are there any recent ICMR publications or reports that we can refer to for current gaps in maternal and child health?
See, ICMR, I think you open the website, DHR-ICMR. They are publishing various reports. You can see in that report, they are not putting a title of the research project, but you will get a compiled report. All the various ICMR interested organization like NIOH Ahmedabad, National Institute of Occupational Health. Then you can say a National Institute of Malaria Research, NIMR at the New Delhi. Then you can say a Virology Institute of Virology Institute at the Pune. So there are various institutions. Even Bhopal has an institute. Pondicherry has a one more institute. So all these institutions have their own reports available on their website. You can see what are the interests. Every year they are inviting calls for the ICMR extramural, that is the investigator initiative, in which also they have their interest area they are releasing. So they have their specific interest area and fund. But in general, for this ICMR PG thesis, they don't have a specific area. They have to develop, they want to develop research capabilities of the postgraduate student. So your research proposal should have a good quality, your good inclination, and at the end, your own statement. Why do you want to continue this research? What is your future plan? This will main evaluation point for the ICMR PG thesis. So you can try in this level, and I think this important. But otherwise, I don't think maternal and child health the only area now. Now, newer area, non-communicable disease, you can say geriatric population problems. These are the new area upcoming. Maternal child health is gradually now coming with down, and other area is taking care. So all the area, they are important. You can read on the DHR website various report available, and based on you can decide. Otherwise, your mentor guide is very important. Your department also will guide you, which is the best topic for you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next question is, sir, how to get extensive knowledge of research, and what is the best way to learn research, and how to decide on various part of the synopsis? Your answer, sir.
Yes, this for that I just will share you again uh, PPT with you because I will give you one small demo, and in this you can able to learn. See, this is basically a one blog which I have made. Uh, in this blog, I have created. I'm just copy and paste, and I'm opening that blog to, and you can see directly. One minute. Okay. So, see, this is basically a blog which I have created, in which various software I have prepared some. I have tried to make some software for you people. And here the ICMR STS software is also available. Below this you go, you will get a ICMR PG synopsis. If you click on this research proposal format and you click, and you will get a one new page. Okay, again, site has some problem. I try to be. Okay, sorry, but currently site, because we are facing some problem. Okay, it's opening. Is it visible to you, Tushar?
Uh, yes, sir. Yes, sir,
That
visible.
format is visible.
Yes, sir, format is visible.
Okay. This format we have created, that is, you can put a copy paste your reference ID, title, introduction. See, this is a guide we have created. Introduction, you can put a objective, material methods. In material method, what to write, research design, setting. You put this, all headings will help you to finish. You should not miss anything. So this created criteria of participation, inclusion criteria, exclusion criteria, sample size, sample technique, method of data collection, ethical issue, implication, then references. And once you copy and paste the things, you submit, you will get a Word and PDF copy you can download. Nothing we will ask you about your email ID or nothing. Just this format in PDF and Word, that will helpful to you to upload because this formatization is very important. So this, and here I have written that IAC approval is required to submit. For PG, this is must. So you can make this proposal as per your requirement. And for that, we have created this online resource. It is a freely available, no charge, nothing is there. This is just sake of you people. You can try and you can use. And this, you can put a drnirajpandit.blogspot.com. You will get this software part, and in this software part, you will get this particular thing. Okay, so this you can try, and for you people, we have created this thing. So this is the basically you need to create the various components of the synopsis. Now, how to learn the research? See, learning research, you will get a lot of videos, lot of online courses, and this course is how to search a research article. If you want, we can take a small session. We can create a session for people if you are interested to learn the research, because it is not a 1 hour exercise. It's a long exercise. If demand generated, we will try to be fulfilled. How to create a synopsis, we can help out. And this is a process. It requires minimum 1 month to 1.5 months to make a good research proposal. But you need to pass through. You cannot learn research overnight. You have to pass through the process of learning research, and it will minimum take 1.5 months to 2 months, not less than that. So best way, I suggest, search few online resources, search few courses available online. Free courses also available, some paid courses also available. And if required, you can also email to us. We can help you to make this thing. So these are the few way you can learn. But best is your department, your guide, and your own colleague, senior colleague. They are the first resource. Don't forget them. They will definitely help you to learn the research. Thank you. Next, sir.
Thank you, sir. The next question is, sir, how to collaborate with the government sector as being a researcher from the private sector? And is it possible to access the raw data sets from NFHS, DLHS, SRS, etc.? Thank you, sir, your answer.
Yes. Tushar, it's a very interesting and important question, because collaboration with the government sector, see, government is now very open. They want to collaborate for anything. They understand without private sector, they cannot cater the services. You know, Ayushman Bharat is one of the best example. So Ayushman Bharat scheme where we are giving the free services. And this free services, almost more than 50% to 60%, they are provided by the private stakeholders. So private stakeholders, without private stakeholder, no government can get the success. So government definitely, wherever you are sitting in your medical college, you try to be contact your nearby CTHO office, or you can say a district hospital. You can have a DHR program now. This your district residency program is also your seniors are conducting. Through them, you can contact your CDHO office, or you can say civil hospital, and find out which program is going on. If you are in the ophthalmo, National Blindness Prevention Program is going on. If you are in the skin, leprosy R is one of the program where you can collaborate. If you are in the medicine, National AIDS Control Program. If you are respiratory medicine, that's the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program. So there are various programs running. You can try to be contact to the district agency, state agency through your HOD. Your HOD or your guide, they always have a vision. So you can have an idea how to develop a new proposal. See, I think Tushar, your research is on Ayushman Bharat, na, if I am not forgetting.
Yes, sir. Health and wellness.
Ah,
Well,
see, Health and Wellness Center, that's the Arogya Mandir. He did a research on Arogya Mandir. So this is very important. He also did a small study on the telemedicine. His interest in the telemedicine is also very important. So you can decide, and this Ayushman Arogya Mandir is all completely government stakeholder. And we help them to how to improve. We assess, analyze, evaluate, and report we are going to submit to the CDHO office and how to they can improve the services. So they are very open. So you can definitely collaborate. About the data, NHFS, DLHS, SRS, they are available online. You need to pay a few amount for the getting the Excel sheet. So, and this Excel sheet you can use for the analysis purpose, learning purpose, and after learning, after analyzing, you can go with uh, publication. So they are data available online. No need to worry. Your guide and your HOD always knowing in the department. Ask them. They will guide you how to go ahead with this. Thank you.
sir, next last question is, sir, is it compulsory to register your topic on Shodh Ganga before applying?
Sodh Ganga is not for the MDMS. See, Sodh Ganga is a PhD. If you see an open, it's a government UGC program. They are registering all the UGC student, PhD student on the Sodh Ganga. And this is really a good, but currently they are not registering MDMS, MDS student or DNB or MCH student. So Sodh Ganga is not for us. So I think currently not don't think about the Sodh Ganga. You need there is no registration system of the PG topic or UG topic currently in the India. So currently I don't think you need to think about more about the Sodh Ganga. Okay, so you can skip about this Sodh Ganga currently. Uh, any other special question from the current audience, you can write in the chat box, so we will take. I think one or two question, Tushar, I am seeing that, sir, can you please share the undertaking format? Undertaking format is available on, I have just opened that link. I'm just again sharing where you get the undertaking. Wait for a minute. I'm sharing the screen where you get the undertaking format. See, on this page, you go back to the back slide. Here is already written. You just click on the format. You will get the format. It is available, same place. So I don't think I should again share here. It's everything written in this undertaking format. So it is available. Okay, so download from your login, because without logging, I request, if you do without logging, it won't be helpful to you much. You need to create, and creating your space, it will take a 1 or 2 days. So I request to do immediately if you want to apply. Otherwise, and at least upload 48 hours before. Otherwise, it will create a problem. I think few more questions are there. I will just see.
So which website to go for these ICMR thesis support?
Yes, I am again sharing same thing. Which website? Please note down this website name. It is on the top. It is written scheme dhr.gov.in. Okay, this is the website, and this website you can write in the Google DHR EPMS. If you write, you will get this website. So this scheme DHR is the website and where you need to apply. Okay, so please follow this. And somebody asked the mail ID. I am just sharing my PPT's last page. See, this is my mail ID. If you need any support, you can ask. Niraj for research @gmail.com is the mail ID. You can ask any question or query.
And sir, one more question is there, sir. Is BCBR mandatory for the ICMR proposal?
No, 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 no. ICMR proposal submission is not required, the BCBR. Undertaking format. See, undertaking format, there is no format you need to create. It's a simple. You are giving assurance. Currently, my proposal is in the discussion. Once I get the approval, I will submit. That few 4, 5, 6 line you need to write, you have to sign in your, and your guide need to sign. Okay. What is the process of working with WHO or UNICEF? What field can be a better if epidemiology or statistic? What quality do I need? And I think this question you can ask in my mail. I will reply you personally, because audience here may not be interested in general. Okay.
Any other questions?
Any other question?
Sir, difference between the intramural and extramural grant.
Okay. This intramural for the ICMR scientist. Extramural for the outside ICMR. Okay. So ICMR scientists, when applying, they are applying through the intramural grant, and as I am applying as an extramural to the ICMR. So this is a different for the ICMR. In your institute, if you are applying to your institute, it is intramural. If I am applying to your institute, it is extramural. On website, grant is mentioned 50 times. It's a 1 lakh. Where is the? I have just opened this format. Again, I am sharing. See, I am sharing the page, and where you will get the answer. See, this format. In this format, it is clearly written. Please read. If selected, grant is given in the 2 installment. First is 25,000, second is 75,000 from the DHR, which is strictly used for the purpose of the thesis support, has been released. So it is very clear. And Everything written. See, you need to pay PubMed, JCDR index journal. See, everything is written in this, your undertaking. You are giving and your guide is also giving. Okay, so it is very clear. You need to follow this guideline.
Any other questions are there?
As JR1, I will apply as extramural. There is nothing extramural. Where is the word is extramural is there? You can directly go here and apply. I am again same cheese, same thing. There is no word like extramural, intramural here. When you are going the page of this proposal submission, HRD, MDMS thesis support is there. You click apply. There is nothing extramural, intramural. I don't know where you are reading extramural, intramural. Please, it is nothing related to extramural, intramural for this particular thing. There is all area of research are good. For me, I am always saying all research area are extraordinary and good. No need to prioritize. Prioritize is a quality of your content. You need to justify. And this is very important. If you can able to justify, then it is good. If won't able to justify, its quality again compromise. Because you are writing in your research proposal, you are giving concept and that concept read by somebody and somebody is very important. Okay. Third party reading your concept, getting clarity, and that clarity will support to fund. Okay. And always keep in mind in future, whenever you apply funding, funder always have a different eye. So you need to learn funder's requirement and justify your concept to the funder. And then only your proposal will get the fund. So with this, I think, Tushar, we have achieved the
Yes, sir.
these Indian theses are valid outside also. Means outside means, I don't know, for the funding purpose or the thesis research. Research is everywhere is acceptable. We are publishing our research paper all over the world. People are citing also. So it's definitely valid outside. So don't worry about this part. I think it's we have tried to satisfy the answer of everybody. If no question, as my saying last date is 31st May, will there any more date coming for November? Yes, if you are not able, if you are in the first year in November also, then only you can able to apply. There are two time because recent admission is that you can able to till you are in the R1, you can apply. So you have a chance again. It will start open 1st November to 30th November. So if you miss this, you can try for the next time. Okay, Tushar.
Okay, thank you everyone for joining. We hope the insights shared by Dr. Niraj Pandit sir provided clarity and motivation to all budding researchers. So until next time, we all stay curious, committed, and connected for the community. Thank you, sir, for joining. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everybody. See you. If any question, you can mail me. And thank you, Tushar, arranging this session. It was nice. And thank you, everybody. We are just closing the session with thanks not to everybody.